What's going on, guys, and welcome once again to our channel, Cookies Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here at Disney Yacht Club Resort, and in this video, guys, we're pretty much doing like a mini staycation, which we're pretty excited. We have stayed in this resort before. We loved it so much that we are returning after almost like over 2 years now, at the same time that we're celebrating Khalil's birthday. So that's the main reason why we're here, and of course we're gonna bring you guys along in this adventure. We're gonna show you a room tour around the resort, so a lot of fun stuff coming up. Anyway, guys, if you like this type of content, Disney content, Universal content, and even cruising, we highly suggest that you stick around, as we have a lot to show you. Also, we suggest that you
subscribe and smash that like button.
If we're sharing any valuable content with you, fam. Are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, Sam. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it.
I could show you how to just be
Are we the only family that we got all these luggages for 2 to 3 days?
I'm sure not.
I mean, hopefully we're not by ourselves.
It's not enough. They have their stuff. We have both. That's for you and me.
I know.
And this is for
And this is like snacks.
I'm
I
a,
have teenagers.
I'm a firm believer that you gotta have choices.
Yes.
So that's why I always
Food.
overpack.
You carry food with teenagers.
Yeah. Comment down below if you guys do the same thing. Of course, we have to have H2O for us because it's hot around here. Hot. Crazy enough, the last time we were here, we all had to wear masks.
Yes.
I was reviewing our last video, and I was like, damn, we have to wear masks. That's how long it's been. So we happen to be on the second floor. We're gonna take you directly to our room now. It doesn't fail that we always get
We
lost,
don't get lost. We just like to tour the latte.
or one of us misread the number. Cruises, hotels, or anything. That's how we are. Are you guys the same way? It's just weird. Good way to get our steps in, right? 2055 is our room for the next few nights. And we're finally in. Woo! Alright. We're gonna give you a room tour really quick.
Hello, fam.
Welcome to our crib. For just 2 nights.
Yeah.
Don't get overly excited, right?
For tonight and tomorrow.
Tonight and tomorrow. Alright, so what do we have here, Karen?
So we're in the Yacht Club Resort, and this is the room that we got. So as you walk in, the first thing you're gonna hit is the little fridge and the little cups. That's pretty cool. You're gonna have your Keurig machine with some coffee over here and teas in the back. No creamers. Over here, you're gonna get the closet. A little stand for the suitcases. A full mirror.
Pretty large closet though. The mirror is in this side,
Yes.
right here. What's up, fam? And then
Or we have some shelves and a
to
little.
put your shoes on.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, okay. That wasn't there the last time we stayed, actually.
Even iron.
That's pretty cool.
And a steam iron over here.
Yeah, that definitely wasn't there 2 years ago.
No. And then you obviously have your safe here if you need it. If you wish to use it.
That's pretty cool. So now,
Alright,
let's head to the bathroom.
Alright, and then you walk in on the left hand, it's gonna be the bathroom. It's gonna have 2 sinks. It's gonna have your blow dryer. It's gonna be right here. And they always give you a couple of the toiletries that you might need.
Highly recommend to take this one with you. They are amazing. They smell delicious.
You're gonna have your mirror, your little mirror over here, if you need it. And then of course,
I like the double sink.
yeah, the double sinks.
And now this is where
And then you always have the bathroom.
Bathroom.
I
Bro.
love it.
Khalil always taking care of business when he comes to any resort. Of course, he
has to
has to. I guess that's our tradition. Get out of here.
Okay.
But anyways, just regular toilet, of course. Bathtub. More.
Toiletries.
Yeah, more toiletries over
your
here.
conditioners, your body wash. It is a tub, so it's a big step in.
And here's the shower heads. It's pretty tall. You're like 6 feet or so, you know. Still have it. You should be okay. You should have enough space. But like Karen said, this is like a big step.
And we'll follow right along. And then
All right.
as we're gonna get to the beds. I believe these are 2 queens.
2 queens, yeah.
And then it also has, this particular room has a sleeper sofa.
Yeah, so let's review this part over here really quick. So you have an outlet here by the wall. Very important. And also you do have another outlet over here. And it seems like you have USB connection over there along with the regular plugs. We do have another plug on the wall over there, another outlet, an electrical outlet over there by the wall. Then you have this section over here. What do we have over here, Karen?
You have all your drawers. In case you want to take all your stuff out. This is for extra pillows and blankets, so they have this right here. So this is usually used for that.
Okay.
If you're gonna use it.
We're gonna show you guys in a minute.
More and more drawers. Then you also have more USBs and power
Outlets
sources.
over here. Now, for a family of 4, you know, you definitely want to pay attention to the amount of outlets that you're gonna find in a hotel, because obviously, at least for the 4 of us, is at
4
least
cell phones.
4 cell phones, 2 Apple Watches for now, all the content creation things that we need. So we have cameras. Sometimes we bring GoPros,
We have another phone. We have the power sources that we need to make sure that they're charged.
gimbal, you know. So there's so many other things that we need. Sometimes we bring the smaller camera. So if I go somewhere and you guys go another place, you can actually record what I record in another place. So we didn't bring it on this trip, but that just gives you an idea. The reason why we keep pointing out the amount of plugs. Coming over here, you have like this nightstand, you know, with some other a little bit of more drawers, then more plugs over here. Then you have this reading light over there as well. Then the other queen size bed
With the queen.
with
the
a
queen in there.
with a grumpy princess in there. And then here is regular couch at this moment, but it's also a day bed. Normally this is our preference and makes it harder on us because it could be a little bit more expensive. When we go to hotels, we try to look for things that have either 2 queen size bed and an extra sleeper sofa,
day bed.
because
The extra bed. We need the extra space.
we're at the point that the kids, especially Khalil, rather sleep by himself. I like sleeping with enough space, so unless that we have a king size bed, because that's what I'm already used to sleep on, I'd rather have a king size bed. And you and Kyla normally sleep together, share one bed because you guys are okay, but normally Khalil and I like to have our
The boys like their own
own space. So this will be Khalil's bed over here. So go ahead, Khalil. He was already figuring out how to open his bed. So that's basically what you will have to do to transform it, and this will be your day bed. And as a matter of fact, the last time we stayed here, you slept over here with no problem. You were fine. Moving right over here really quick, you have over here some working space. The desk. Normally, I like rooms that have the desk, more USB connection, more outlets. So now we're going to show you the view, which is one of the best part of this room. So we happen to be here in the balcony, which is a very spacious balcony. And you know what, Karen? It's kind of cool to be able to see it from a different angle. Normally, we actually down there. You know why we're down there? not because we're just on boardwalk, but normally when we do the Run Disney and we're actually doing the 10Ks, you actually run through here. And you know how many times I have seen this building and I'm thinking to myself, how much longer do we have? I'm about to pass out.
Can I run straight inside the hotel?
And normally this is like mile number 3 or 4, depending the route that they pick. And I'm about to give up. You know, 10K is a 6.20 miles. So once I'm in boardwalk, I'm about to just tap out and say I'm done. Obviously, back down there you will be able to see EPCOT. So this is one of the advantages of staying on this hotel. Also, the balloon from Disney Springs, you can see it from here. You could actually catch the Skyliner down there by EPCOT, which is awesome. Walking around boardwalk is one of the coolest things to do, especially at nighttime. And then over here you will be able to see the ship for the pool, which in our opinion this resort has the best pool in property.
The best.
Hands down. If you ever been in boardwalk, you actually walk by the actual pool, and a lot of times people are like looking into the pool because they want to figure it out how to go in. I will tell you, but hands down, this is the best pool in Disney property.
Yes.
If you have the opportunity to stay in here in Jack or Beach Club, definitely do so. That way you can take advantage of that boat. But Karen is right. We could actually sit over here in the balcony and perhaps see fireworks. So anyways, that's basically a quick room tour, and the kids are eventually gonna change to go to the pool. We're gonna continue to show you things around as we celebrate our newest teenager in the family. All right, so we just came down. Now we're just gonna head to the pool. As we said, best pool in property, right? Family actually reminiscing about the last time we stayed, and our last time that we stayed, we had a room in there, which obviously was closer to the pool and everything else, and we had the view of the lighthouse, which was even more beautiful.
But still, our view is pretty good.
I love it.
I like it.
I like staying over here. All right, let's check out the pool. So when you come over here, you have to give in your magic band or your hotel room card, and they're gonna give you an actual wristband that is valid through the whole entire stay.
That's to make sure that you're staying in this resort, because I think this resort and
Beach.
Yeah, and beach are the only ones that can have access to this pool.
And trust me, this pool is amazing. You want to come over here, and to be honest with you, now I truly feel like I'm in a cruise. You mentioned that, Karen.
Yeah, I do feel like the duckies are enjoying the pool.
I try to give you a better view of the pool on another time. If not, I'm gonna take a video on the last time that we came over here, just to be respectful with other guests, since there are little kids and also other adults in here. The pool is full right now, but for now we're gonna take the video over here. So far,
Beautiful.
it's beautiful. Kalel, you're excited to be here, right?
Yeah, I can't wait to go in.
Birthday boy, and it's hot as heck, so it's perfect weather too. You do have to come here early though, because
Oh, if you want to
people
share.
start reserving chairs and all that.
If you want to share.
Right. Now, one thing we were actually talking about is that last time we came here was during COVID, and you actually had to come over here and sign yourself in order to enter the pool, because they have a waiting list. Remember that?
There's a small capacity that can come in at a certain time, because they're doing the whole distance.
And that part sucked, because
Yeah, that was
basically sometimes you have to wait on a line outside.
Yeah.
And then they will let a certain amount of people to go at a time. But now we're actually in the adult section area, which Kyle requested to come here simply because it's deeper. So really quick over here, you're able to go over there. They have like somewhat like a lazy river. There's you could play volleyball in the pool down there. The actual slide of the pirate ship, you actually take it from the other side, and then it actually fits into this pool over here. So pretty cool though. All right, children, how was the pool?
Fun. I'm tired.
You tired? Plus it was hot as heck over here.
I mean, the pool was warm too.
Yeah.
But it was refreshing. It was as good as you guys remember that.
Yes.
Okay, there you have it. All right, so now what are we gonna do?
Eat watermelon.
Now, yeah, we're going to the room to eat some watermelon and then change because we're gonna go to dinner. So we actually decided to step into the gym just to see it. Check this out. This is the area they have. They have some cardio machines over here, some machine over here, medicine ball, kettlebells, dumbbells, Smith machine down there. Hey, I take it. Very nice gym here in the Yacht Club.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty guys, today you have it here from Disney Yacht Club Resort. Just showing you guys around about our staycation so far. What do you think?
I love it. I love it.
So happy birthday, my friend.
Thank you.
Kyla, you're having fun so far?
Yes, that's what I needed, a staycation.
Kyla needed something to disconnect herself from her reality at least a few days so that way she could actually chill a little bit, and so did we.
Yes.
So did we. So sorry that we didn't show you a lot. Once again, we're just trying to like spend quality time as a family and not show so many things of what we're doing, just showing you what is necessary in this video. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get ready to go to dinner. So if you want to see more about our staycation in here, we're gonna actually go and do a video on El and Compass, which is the main restaurant here in the Yacht Resort. So anyway, guys, sadly this adventure has ended. With that said, we gotta remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and the above notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to.
smile out, be great,
Be cool.
And stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye,
Bye guys.
Boom, boom, boom.
see ya.
Bye.